What's up, guys? We are in a continuation of yesterday's video with Stevewilldo back at the Red Rock Casino. This is some new footage here that we are going along, so if you haven't seen the video before, go back. Like, subscribe here. We're going to keep it a short intro. Let's get into it, you guys. And I heard the comments. I will keep the music down. I'm just fighting the flipping the copyright on just the music. So, yeah, let's get into it, you guys. Love you. Let's go. Boop, and...
Just a roller coaster. There he is.
Come on, yeah, come on.
You want to sit down?
Oh yeah, he does.
Looks like we're in a little baccarat session.
I'm not going to get up just because you told me to get up. I'm going to get up if Steve wants me to get up.
20,000 on player.
20,000 on player.
It's just quarters.
Yeah, I know. I'll go big with
Imagine
you,
having
dude.
that money.
Like, it's just quarters. Zero.
Okay, that's fine.
Zero.
Let's go. 9-7, 9-7.
Right here.
Beautiful.
Holy shit.
Let's go. That's
Let's fucking go.
Let's go. That's huge.
All right, so we're going to do another 20,000 on player.
You going big again?
And we're going 10 on Baker.
Baker?
Oh, Baker.
Flip it.
Nice.
Oh, they don't even pull.
All right, we just want 30,000.
Thank you, honey. Zayd. Zayd.
All right, 20 on player.
Player. Switch your player.
We have... Shit, we have 3.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine.
How are you today?
Shit, dude. Bro, I lost all that.
Are we not even?
No, we're doing 20,000 on player again.
Oh, okay. Here it is. Here it is. Here it is. Fuck it. That's a 5K too. It's gonna be player win 9-7. Player win 9-7.
Player win 9-7, dude. Crazy.
Okay, fire. Fire.
3?
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine.
Oh shit, we lost that.
That's why I don't like Baccarat that much.
White jacket. White jacket.
Oh well, we should do.
Did he?
Should do that. Should do that.
Come on.
Oh,
Player right here has to be
yeah, it's gotta be right here, player.
natural 9 player.
Right, I need this. This is a 30K win. Yeah, player. Okay, alright.
These are mine.
Yeah.
Yeah, those are mine. I swear, they're mine.
Alright, let's do 20K player. Let's do it.
Come on.
Yep. There we go.
We should have
Nice.
40 fucking
Holy
K.
fuck.
Alright.
I know, right?
Fuck. Fuck me.
Can't even look at the chart for this one.
Yeah.
You can't.
$5
Flip it.
$5,000.
Nice.
1.
Better than 0.
Can't flip it?
10. 10.
Yep.
Yes!
Nice.
You're right there. Hey, you're right there.
Yeah, right there.
You're right at 100 almost. You're
I didn't
95.
write it.
Looking around the numbers.
I I think we ride it too.
I think you're right.
You're right there.
I think we ride it. Come on. 20K player. Banker.
You're on Banker? Banker. No, you're good. I just don't want to bet against you.
Yes.
It's fucking natural, baby.
Nice.
Let's fucking go.
Good.
Hey, we're out.
Let's go, Steve.
Yeah, hit it.
Then we had to keep going.
So if we're looking at the chart, you're going Banker 2 times now? I think so.
Yeah. Banker 3 times.
3 times now, okay.
Flip it.
5.
Fuck. 9. Fuck.
Fuck. Alright, well, whatever.
Going back to player. I don't know about
I went 3 in a row.
Nice. Monkey, yes.
I wouldn't have thought so.
Good shit.
Just keep going.
Yeah, bro,
Player.
that's it. We're there. We're literally there.
Flip it.
Beautiful. Yes.
Yes.
Fuck, that was a swat for a second.
Oh, holy fuck. Yeah, they are. They're going crazy right now.
Pay off the 100. Give me the 100. I'll pay it off.
No, it's good. We just keep going.
Just ride it.
Alright.
Just fucking ride the player. Thank you. Just ride this shit.
No, let's ride it. Yeah.
Let's go, Kate.
Sure. Thank you, hon.
Anybody?
There's our waters.
Flip it.
10. Nice. 2. Fine. 5.
Cheer.
Reduce.
Okay.
Reduce. 8. Yep. That's fine. That's fine.
Let's fucking go.
Steve's fucking killing it. I see. A-Dub, I think you do the strat, just ride it.
That was his 3 in a row.
We got 4 in a row right now.
Just keep riding it. Just keep riding. Flip it.
10.
Oh,
Fuck. 7.
Every time we get big, we lose. Add it up real quick. Add it up.
Disgusting.
Add it up.
I don't know what they didn't explain to me what ballet you got up to.
Oh, it's our
125.
How much?
It's a
125.
125? Alright, pay off the 100. Let's go to bed. Unless you want to stay rolling with it.
Coming soon. Okay.
Starting a match.
At least you're there. You're
I
even.
do like ballet. It's like,
Fuck.
it does look. I like
We were
the.
trying to think of a word that like was common, but like.
I understand Steve's mentality.
Because everyone knows
Technically,
what it is.
he's
Yeah.
he's buying in for
I like it.
He wants to double
I like the
up.
little diamond too in the
Yeah.
end. It's good.
Gotta have some ammo.
I want one. We can get you one. Here 4 days a week. Okay. I will get you one. I will get you one.
Nice.
Free drinks all night long.
Nice.
Give me a hat. There we go. We'll come back with
Just
that.
keep riding. Let's just keep riding Banker for a little bit.
It's 40.
I don't think. Oh yeah, for sure.
Moscow Mule.
Yes, please. Thank you.
Y'all do those? Those are bangers. Those are bangers.
Just keep riding with Banker.
Jackson Hole. That's what I got introduced to.
Flip it.
Moscow Mule, baby. Moscow Mule, baby. In that fucking tin cup. 8, 7. Train knows all about it. That little tin cup tray.
Shit. All right, we're out here.
That's what it comes in, yeah.
God damn it.
Moscow Mule. Fucking stand on though.
It's a great run.
Pretty good Baccarat run. Look at him. He's gonna put one more. Watch, he's gonna put one more. Everybody loves Baccarat.
Steve gave these to me. But that's his bet though. That's A-Dub's. Yeah, he gave him to me and now I'm betting. That's A-Dub's bet though.
That's all good.
Natural.
Should have fucking.
Nice. Holy fuck.
Every time we went to do that, it hit natural.
Yeah.
I swear to God.
That's fucking huge, Trey. That's huge. Even though I don't got no money on it, that's huge, bro.
They won't let his friend play with the money.
I think we just keep on player. I think we can go.
Why didn't you keep all those wristbands on? Is there a purpose?
No, no purpose.
All right, just need a little one.
Nice. Oh,
That's it.
that's
Yeah.
fucking beautiful. That is beautiful!
Yep.
We gotta keep going this through. Just keep winning 20.
Hey, Doug, where's Raz at? He said he was on his way.
Steve's pretty faded. That's probably the best word. Steve is definitely faded right now. 7.
That's good.
Doing fucking pretty fucking good, guys.
That's crazy.
I think player can keep going.
Yeah, for sure.
Just ride it.
Yeah, I think we ride it.
Yeah.
I don't like going against a player run, honestly.
Nice, holy fuck. Dude, nice, nice.
I do. I think we just keep going, keep going, keep going.
What the fuck is going on over here?
This is
want to hop in.
Yeah, exactly.
He's still riding player, man. Dude's on a freaking roll. How many players is that? Do you want to switch it to bank right now? Holy smokes. Dude, how much is he up right now?
We have
1,
Yeah.
3.
Alright, that's fine, that's fine.
Come on. 7. Oh, I thought that was a 6.
boom.
Oh! Fuck! Call me up.
Oh, nice. It's a 9. Oh,
Holy
shit.
shit.
I actually did call that shit.
Bro, we're doing fucking good.
That's crazy.
I should have nothing bigger.
That's crazy.
What is going on, bro? What is this player run right now? Holy shit, I want to hop in this.
Come on, player.
No way. You gotta.
That's fine,
You
that's
get
fine.
11. You get a 1, 6. 3.
You draw, right?
Wow.
So when does Baker draws under 5?
Wow. Dude, that was a flipping run right
So
there.
only 6 and
What?
7.
Oh, he's got more chips in his hand.
What?
Dude, what is happening?
100. Count that.
Dude, he's up 100. Holy smokes, dude, what is happening here? The 9?
Oh my lord.
Yes. Yes.
For the marker,
Bro, this is
this is 100.
I'm not gonna lie, man. This is what.
That's 100 for Steve.
This is what I love right here.
So right there, nothing. Because to make it, that's
Oh my gosh, you guys.
I just paid it. Yeah.
I owe 0.
Yep, nothing. This is all pure profit.
Yeah, baby.
It is. It's like those 5 and 6. Like,
Yeah.
It's like the player has to have.
Holy shit, how is that possible?
Oh my.
No way. Oh gosh, it's split. You're the push.
And natural 9.
Natural 9-5. That's
Tie.
crazy.
Flip it.
Oh fuck.
You should just get. Yeah. He doesn't get it.
Yeah, so the 8s are automatic. You have to get forward with the natural 8. Unless
Sorry.
But the thing with Red Rock, they don't do.
So I owe them 0.
Yeah, bro, you're this is all profit right here. You're playing.
So you have to pay them 5% of whatever you bet. No commission. Yeah, no commission is required. Yeah, exactly. Spot commission. So you can lose on Baccarat, and then maybe like, yeah, you still owe us fucking $1,000. Was this your one?
I'll tell you.
You can lose at Baccarat.
Dang, Dave.
No.
They limited him.
They'll still be like, yeah,
Watch what happens. Come on, give him one to fight.
Oh shit. Okay, we're done. We did good though.
Dude, that was a great streak, man. Holy smokes.
Yeah, over here. We paid off everything.
Yes. That's all profit.
Oh my god.
All right, so I have
That's what it's all about.
10,
guys.
20,
All right.
30,
All right.
40, 50, 60, 70, $80,000.
That was the sickest roller coaster I've ever fucking
That
seen.
was so sick.
Dude, we're gonna make this one a small, like a short video because this is what I love. This is what I love. My gosh. I love you guys so much. This is what it's all about. This is why I do this video, man. Just to see the degenerates gamble their life away to come back to pretty much down $300,000 and came back with 100 plus. All right, you guys. I love you. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one. We've got way more to come. All right. Have a good one. Like, subscribe, like always. Peace.